So I recently harvested this honey from my hive, and it's testing out at close to 20% water moisture in it. So what I've done is I've put the honey in my oven at the dehydration setting at 100 degrees, and I'm dehydrating the honey to remove some of the moisture to get to around 17-18%. This is because the honey I had in the hive a lot of it was uncapped, or maybe half of it. So to reduce the moisture level, I'm using the dehydration setting on the oven. And I'm using 100 degrees, and I'm putting the honey inside the oven to dehydrate it. So far it's been in for a couple hours, and it reduced it from about 20% down to around 19%. So we're probably going to have it inside the oven for about maybe 4 hours or 5 hours, but hopefully after that time we'll get it down in the 17 or 18% range. So it seems to be a cool idea that we came up with.